Hi, Mana fans, welcome to another Mana video. Today we are going to be unwrapping some gifts that my friend gave me. She just came over and it was really fun. So first we got this pencil case, multi-sand, and she got this all from Japan. Then, let's see what this is. It's like a maple pound cake, I think. Let's see. We have some little gummies. Let's try one out. Okay, hold on. I need to open it. Juicy gummies. Try one. They're really sweet and jelly. I like it. Next we have these. Since these are also gummies. Oh wait, no, these are like edamame gummies. Okay, there they are. I've had too many sweets today. I'm not gonna pick one. Here are some Karomi chocolates. Can't try them now, but I'd love to try them now. There. Okay, sorry about that. We have stickers. Very cute. So we have like, we have little, we have like little notepads. We have like these little, I don't remember what they're called, but like, Smarties. We have these little Smarties shaped in a little paw. We have my favorite Sanrio character, Cinnamoroll. Here, let's open it. Let's open it. Here it is. Very cute. Tail review. And last but not least, we have these little balls. So, my favorite out of all of these is probably this one because I haven't started school yet. So this would be perfect to put all my pencils in. And so that was all my things. This is probably my second favorite right here. And this is probably good. And this is probably my third, fourth, fifth. Definitely my sixth. Probably seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. I don't really like pound cakes, so yeah, that's definitely why. I'm sorry if you disagree, but bye, my fans. See you in the next video.